Alright, this is to any door installers out there. If you can let me know if you find this acceptable. I'm having a problem right now that I don't think is acceptable. I had my new doors installed yesterday, and I am very not excited with the install. The original doors didn't have this, but you can see the big gap around here that they filled in full of silicone all the way around. Big gap. The old doors went up to that wood piece. The reveal all the way around, right here, is good until it gets to about here. Oh, here, there you can see it. Now it starts kicking out. It's wider from here to here, and then it's normal all the rest of the way down. It's good across the top, coming down. Looks okay. The threshold looks okay. They still need to come back and do some tweaks, but I'm kind of gonna tell them to redo this door over again. Oh, somehow the frame got cracked on here. Don't know if it was like that from the beginning. On the active door, under the hinge from here all the way down here, and it goes through to the other side because I helped the door installer set this in the rough opening, and they just try to cover it up with some kind of patching or something like that, but the crack is still visible, and I think it's going to grow over time, and they say it's not going to grow. And then where it really gets me, this one is, I think, is so unacceptable. The casing that they put around it. So casing looks good. Looks good. I'm gonna have to do some tile work down there, get a contractor to fix my tiles down there. I was aware of that, so that's no issue. Have them recut some tiles, but here's where the problem gets. Right behind where the casing meets the wall, look at this large gap. This side's not as much as the other side. Here it gets bigger. All the way around. I mean, look at this. I could stick my whole hand in here. Look at that. That is so unacceptable. Up here, I could stick my hand up on the top. Here, let's see on the top. Let's see if you can see up there. Up here. I can stick my hand behind it. Up here. And on this side here. My old doors did not do that. I mean, this is cheesy in my opinion. And the door installer says this is perfectly fine. I'd love to get comments from people and see if this is perfectly fine, because